Hiccups. Yes, the breathing course is wonderful. However, get to a doctor. Your child should not be having hiccups for hours and hours and hours. Anything over a couple of minutes that can't be changed by a liquid or something or a swallow, definitely have it ruled out. I am not a doctor. However, I used to joke around when my kids get hiccups, I'd always say, you're growing. One of the reasons why is there's a vein that goes behind the lungs when the growth is happening, and it could give like a pseudo murmur, right? And this is where my son was did have a hole in his heart kind of thing, murmurs, but I'm not saying yours does, but the lung is growing, the pacing is outdoing the heart. And again, this is typical as a child grows, but at the same time too could be atypical. And just because your pediatrician might say, oh, don't worry about it, come back if it's still a problem. You know, I mean, you have a right to be heard on something like that. It's no offense, it's all over the internet that something like that should be checked out by a doctor, and I would have that looked into. Meanwhile, yes, you want to work on the breathing course, that everything is there for the child, for the chest cavity expansion. The breathing course isn't about better breathing. It's about spinal expansions, chest expansion. The spine needs to breathe, as well as all the ribs in all directions. It's a great way to start learning the touch, and it's a great way for you to bond with your baby. But I would have that double checked out by a professional, either cardiologist or pulmonologist in that range, just to make sure that everything is going well in that direction. Thanks.